everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the even moss stitch, a super textured and stretchy stitch that's perfect for scarves, blankets, dishcloths, and more. It's beginner friendly and adds beautiful dimension to your projects. Let's get started. Start by making a foundation chain in any even number of stitches. For this demo, I'm chaining 18. Start with a slip knot and continue. Alright, let's work row 1. Start in the second chain from your hook. Make a slip stitch. Insert the hook under the top loops of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both the stitch and the loop. Then 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull through all 3 loops. You'll alternate. 1 slip stitch, then 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat slip stitch, 1/2 double crochet all the way across. End with a slip stitch in your last stitch. Great job. Time to start row 2. Chain 1 and turn your work. This row and every row from now on follows the same pattern. You'll slip stitch into each 1/2 double crochet from the row below and 1/2 double crochet into each slip stitch. We're starting with a slip stitch, then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Make sure that you're working regular stitches. Insert your hook below that V-shaped stitch, below the both sides of the V. Alternate slip stitches and 1/2 double crochets, always placing your stitch into the opposite one from the row below. This creates that awesome bump texture we love in the even moss stitch. We finish the row with a slip stitch. Continue stitch pattern. Just repeat that row. Chain 1, turn, alternate slip stitches and 1/2 double crochets, always placing your stitch into the opposite one from the row below. Remember, each row starts and finishes with a slip stitch. This pattern is repeated all across until you reach the desired length. Keep the tension even and don't make these slip stitches too tight. And there you have it, the even moss stitch. Super textured, stretchy, and satisfying to make. Try it in different yarns and colors. It looks amazing in variegated yarn too. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cozy crochet content, and drop a comment below. What should we make next with the even moss stitch? See you next time, and happy crocheting!